Hey there. So recently I've received a few voicemails from callers that I do not understand, including one that appears to be Chinese. I'm not sure which dialect it is in, but I don't understand. I don't speak it. I would have to find someone who knows it. Um, so I'm trying to find a way that I could translate it. The files could be exported from voicemail into an AMR format. But basically, I didn't really know what to do from there. So I did some research and I figured out a way, um, putting things together on how to translate one of these files into a text, from another language to text that you can understand, or even text, that might be in English, maybe even your own language, and so on. So anyway, so I figured I post this tip and show you how to do it. So I'll start by showing you that I basically put a file on my desktop here that is the AMR file format, which is the file that contains the voicemail.
您是直通车提醒您，有重要通知多次未回应，了解详情请按3。
Some of you may know what she just said, but some others may not. So I'm going to show you how to translate something like this very easily, without any going online and going and submitting the file to some random website or something like that. I'd rather do it with tools that you might just have on the computer, like a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and Microsoft Word and VLC player. Some pretty common tools that are freely available and don't require you to submit them online. Anyway, let's dive into it. So you see that's the file, and obviously it's in a different kind of format. The speaker's in a different kind of language. So anyway, we're going to close the file. First off, we have to convert the file. So what we'll do, because basically the next step, it only accepts a certain kind of file format. Okay. So in basically what I'll do is I'll go into VLC Media Player. Okay. And then I'll go to Media. And then I'll go to Open Capture Device. Okay. Then I'll go to File, Add. I see the file on my desktop. So go to Open. Now we have to convert it. So this is how to convert different file formats, and you can use this knowledge to convert different file formats, VLC with VLC Media Player for different scenarios, not just this one. So I'll just go convert. See what I did? I just clicked on that down arrow next to the play button, and now it's asking me, obviously fills in the source, and it's asking me what format. So I have to tell it what profile I'll use. In this case, the program that I'm going to use to transcribe is in the MP3 format it accepts. Okay, so then I'm going to go to the destination file, and then I could just output it to the desktop. I'm going to call it just to make it apparent, obvious. I'm going to call it output. Simple, right? And it's MP3, and then we'll save. And then we'll just start. Pretty fast, actually, this conversion, as you can see. So it's done. So the next step is to actually bring it into Word. So I'm going to start Word. Okay. And then there's this interesting little thing in the newer versions of Word. I think it's on 2019 also. But I have Office 365. You can go dictate and then transcribed. right? And that allows you to put a file in to transcribe. That's why you want to pick the transcribe option there. So basically, I assume this sounds like it's probably Chinese. I don't know what dialect, but we're going to try, I guess, let's see what we got here. Okay, I'm going to try Cantonese first. You know, I would imagine there's probably a lot of similarities between the two. I'm not an expert in this, but it'll probably be somewhat good enough to see what we get. Okay, so I'm going to upload the file, and then basically I will go to desktop, and I'll pick my output file, the MP3 file that I converted to, and then I'll go to open. Watch, it's doing its little transcribe audio file here. Okay, and look, it's actually outputted. Now I have no idea what that means. That's the second issue. Okay, so we'll deal with that. So we'll basically click on Add to Document, and we'll do just text is fine, right? Okay, so here's the output. Now, what do you do with this? Okay, so what you could do is you could select it. Okay, and then there's a neat feature in Word as well that you go to Review, and then you go to Translate. Interesting. Translate selection, and this actually picks up on what it actually the input is, the input language is that you want to translate from. So as you can see, it actually, on the right hand side pane, it actually translated it. So this is the translation. The transmission department was open to traffic. Living together many times will respond, we thought. Okay, so you know, it may not be perfect, but this kind of gives you an idea of you know what this stuff can do, and it probably will be helpful for you. Hopefully this will be helpful for anybody who needs this, and hopefully you know, the knowledge, share the knowledge, and let other people know. Thanks again, and thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.